Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, fellow human beings. Today we are diving into Al-Khabeer. Al-Khabeer is the one who is aware of the hidden inner occurrences in everything. He is the one who cognizes, reaches the deepest, darkest, hidden corners of his kingdom, where neither human intelligence nor his angels can penetrate. Everywhere in the universe, an infinite number of things are happening. Some universal, some minute over and under, inside and outside each other. He is aware of all these, from their very beginning until their end, an infinite and minutest of details. Occurrences that are not yet actualized, but are in state of formation or are being planned or are hidden like secrets within secrets, are manifested to him. None can escape his attention. So, gentlemen, know that there is nothing that you do in secret or think of doing that is not known by Al-Khabeer. Know also that your most secret needs and wishes, for which you have not yet asked in prayer, are known to him and are often accorded to you without your asking. So who is Abdul Khabeer? Abdul Khabeer is blessed with total understanding. Such a one has been made aware of the conditions and consequences of events, as well as their nature. The prerequisite of this gift is to know oneself, to be one's own doctor. First, we must diagnose the sicknesses of arrogance, hypocrisy, envy, selfishness, anger, excessive love of the world, and other negativities which we all have. Then we must make a great effort to cure them. If one is afflicted with certain bad traits of character and is sincerely ashamed and wants to get rid of them, it helps reciting Ya Khabeer as often as one can. If a faithful person is worried about the outcome of an action, he will be shown the result of his action in his dreams if he recites this all the day. Does the one who created not know? And he is the gentle, the aware. Surah Mulk. So if you read it many times till you fall asleep at night, you will be shown the bad things, the disturbing, the disharmony happening within you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the wisdom to look inside ourselves and take care of our inner affairs. Assalamu alaikum.